Once famous for being tax-free, Saudi Arabia has announced it is trebling, means three times as large, its value-added tax from 5% to 15% and cancelling the monthly living subsidy. The moves comes as global oil prices have crashed down to less than half what they were a year ago, slashing government revenues by 22% and putting major projects on hold. Saudi Aramco, the state-of oil company, has already seen its net profit fall by 25% in the first quarter of 2020, mainly due to the collapse in crude oil prices. Watch the video till the end to get more information about it. Make sure to subscribe my channel. King Abdullah Economic City is a mega project announced in 2005 by King Abdullah bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud. He is the former king of Saudi Arabia. It is located on the coast of the Red Sea, 100 km north of Jeddah. King Abdullah Economic City is one of four new cities being created to promote industrial expansion, diversify its economy away from oil and to provide housing and job opportunities for a young population, 65% of which are under the age of 30. The master plan cake started in 2005 and expected to complete in 2K25. The current population of the city is 3,000 or 7,000 and its estimated population will be 1.7 million in future. The size of the city is 181 square kilometer and estimated investments are over $100 billion. The goal of cake is to become a global logistic and manufacturing hub through its industrial valley, seeking to develop FMCG, plastic, automotive, building and materials, pharmaceutical industries. Cake's goals of being socially and culturally sustainable, which promotes public transportation, walking and cycling rather than cars, rather than canals. Cake has prioritized a wadi system that uses the landscape and natural plants to manage flooding. What is wadi system? Wadi is an Arabic word used to describe ephemeral streams in semi-arid regions. The central business district is clustered around a high-speed railway station that will connect Cake with Jeddah, Makkah and Medina. The city is being privately financed by Emaar, the Economic City EEC, a Tadawul-listed real estate development and management company. When this company offered its IPO in July 2006, EEC made history. More than half of the population bought stock in it. A flood prevention system using natural wadis captures annual flood water and allows it to trickle down and replenish groundwater. Indigenous desert plants are being used to minimize watering and to create a unique local identity. On-site construction materials are being reused and recycled, and the city aims to dramatically reduce waste in city, particularly compared to the average urban Saudi household. The main energy sources of Cake are connected to the national grid, captive diesel generation and solar systems. Cake has looked to Singapore as an example of a strong economy built around a port and a template of using public-private strategies to nurture a knowledge economy, develop advanced manufacturing and attracts global talents. Cake trying to provide what their customers, that is those moving to the city, required in order to live and work successfully. Cake anticipates that customers will be attracted to the lifestyle and amenities of the city, including high-quality schools, parks, safety, community facilities, and public transportation, as well as the scenic waterfront location. Local challenges. Saudi Arabia's climate poses a challenge to cake. Summer temperature can pass 40 degrees Celsius, which means building densely and prioritizing shade is paramount. The lack of water will be an ongoing challenge in cake and the region more broadly. The severely annual flooding also poses a challenge which the Wadi landscape design is intended to mitigate, ensuring that services such as wireless coverage and transportation provided by partners and suppliers are affordable to the end customer is an ongoing challenge. While foreigners are eligible to purchase property in cake, it is still difficult to obtain visas to enter the country. This situation is currently being negotiated with the Saudi government. CityQuest is a community of the builders of large-scale new city projects and their partners around the world. The premier leadership event on the world's largest and most innovative new city projects. The third edition took place on December 8 to December 10 in 2015. This challenge brought 5 candidates from top engineering, architecture and design, and urban planning graduate schools from around the world to spend 1 week in cake. Once famous for being tax-free, Saudi Arabia has announced it is troubling 3 times greater its value-added tax VAT from 5% to 15% and cancelling the monthly living subsidy. The moves comes as global oil prices have crashed down to less than half what they were a year ago, slashing government revenues by 22% and putting major projects on hold. Saudi Aramco, the state-oil oil company, has already seen its net profit fell by 25% in the first quarter of 2020, mainly due to the collapse in crude oil prices. These measures reflect a drastic need to rein in spending and try to stabilize weak oil prices. Gulf analyst Michael Stephens, the kingdom's economy is in a terrible state and it will take some time to recover any sense of normality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment on video and make sure to subscribe Ajia's book. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.